Your heart is a powerful muscle. It works non-stop, pumping blood throughout your body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell, keeping you alive and functioning. Taking care of your heart is crucial for a long and healthy life. Just like a car engine needs clean fuel and regular maintenance, your heart needs the right care to perform at its best. Unfortunately, some substances can damage your heart and hinder its ability to do its job. Snuff, cigarettes, and alcohol are three common culprits that can wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system. Understanding their effects is the first step towards making healthier choices. Snuff might seem harmless, but don't be fooled. This finely ground tobacco, snorted through the nose, delivers a potent dose of nicotine directly into your bloodstream. Nicotine is a stimulant that causes your heart to race and your blood pressure to spike. Over time, this constant strain can damage your blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow. This makes it harder for your heart to pump blood effectively, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. Cigarettes are notorious for their devastating impact on heart health. The toxic chemicals in cigarette smoke, including tar, carbon monoxide, and nicotine, directly damage your heart and blood vessels. Smoking accelerates the buildup of plaque in your arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This plaque narrows your arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing your risk of heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases. While moderate alcohol consumption might have some purported health benefits, excessive drinking is undeniably harmful to your heart. Alcohol can raise your blood pressure, weaken your heart muscle, and contribute to irregular heartbeats. Long-term heavy drinking can lead to a condition called cardiomyopathy, where your heart becomes enlarged and weakened, making it difficult to pump blood effectively. This can lead to heart failure and other serious complications. Section 5, a dangerous cocktail, mixing snuff, cigarettes, and alcohol. Using snuff, cigarettes, and alcohol together creates a dangerous cocktail that amplifies their individual harmful effects on your heart. The combination of nicotine, toxic chemicals, and alcohol puts immense stress on your cardiovascular system, significantly increasing your risk of heart attack, stroke, and other life-threatening conditions. It's crucial to understand that even occasional use of these substances together can have serious consequences for your heart health. Section 6. Short-term effects. Your body's warning signs. Your body often sends warning signs when your heart is struggling. After using snuff, cigarettes, or alcohol, you might experience a racing or pounding heart, increased blood pressure, shortness of breath, dizziness or lightheadedness, and chest pain or discomfort. These symptoms should not be ignored. They are your body's way of telling you that something is wrong and that you need to take action to protect your health. Section 7. Long-term consequences, a lifetime of heartbreak. The long-term consequences of using snuff, cigarettes, and alcohol can be devastating. Years of exposure to these substances can lead to heart attack, stroke, heart failure, peripheral artery disease, and aortic aneurysm. These conditions can significantly impact your quality of life, leading to disability, chronic pain, and even premature death. Section 8. Choosing a healthy path, protecting your precious pump. The good news is that you have the power to protect your heart. By avoiding snuff, cigarettes, and excessive alcohol consumption, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Making healthy lifestyle choices such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress can further strengthen your heart and improve your overall well-being. Section 9. Seeking help and support. You're not alone. Quitting snuff, cigarettes, and excessive alcohol consumption can be challenging, but it's not impossible. There are many resources available to help you quit, including your doctor or healthcare provider, support groups, nicotine replacement therapy, and prescription medications. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Reach out for help and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you.